Welcome to the vibrant land of Rajasthan. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Rajasthan is a treasure trove for travelers. In today's video, we're taking you through the must-visit spots, culinary delights, and unique experiences that make Rajasthan a trip of a lifetime. Our journey begins in the Udaipur, the city of lakes. Experience the tranquil beauty of Lake Pichola and visit the stunning Jag Mandir. The sunset views here are absolutely breathtaking, a true romantic getaway. Udaipur was discovered by Maharana Uday Singh in 1553. In the year 2009, Udaipur was named the best city in the world by a magazine. Udaipur is famous for its lakes, beautiful palaces, mountains, rooms, and tiger gardens. There are also many royal palaces here that have been converted into luxurious hotels today. Our first stop is the magnificent City Palace, a splendid blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture. Sprawling on the banks of Lake Pichola, this palace offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into the royal heritage of Udaipur.
हाँ, वो 7 से 8 बजे तक। बस यार सच में बढ़िया होगा। ये इनके कपड़े पहनने के कपड़े सब
Pichola Lake.
Next, we hop onto a boat to explore Lake Pichola. This picturesque lake is surrounded by hills, gardens, and palaces, creating a serene atmosphere that is simply magical. Don't forget your camera for those perfect sunset shots. Next, we hop onto a boat to explore Lake Pichola. This picturesque lake is surrounded by hills, gardens, and palaces, creating a serene atmosphere that is simply magical. Don't forget your camera for those perfect sunset shots. Next, visited Dudh Talai Lake, Fateh Sagar Lake, Maharana Pratap Museum. Maharana Pratap Museum welcomes you to Haldigati, the land of bravery, sacrifice, and great history. Haldigati plays an important role in the Indian history. Massive battle held here between the Mughals and Maharana Pratap. Here at our museum, we have tried our best to provide you all the information about the great legend Maharana Pratap. We have displayed almost everything and covered every aspect to take you back in that era. In 2003, an imaginative museum dedicated to the great Maharana opened and was unsurprisingly named the Maharana Pratap Museum, Haldigati. The realization of a dream to create museum founder and owner Mohan Shrimali. Attending a local dance performance at a cultural venue. In the evening, Udaipur comes alive with cultural performances. Witnessing a traditional Rajasthani dance evokes a sense of pride and connection to the history and heritage of this region. Compilation of Udaipur highlights with upbeat music. As our Udaipur adventure comes to an end, we take home memories filled with breathtaking sights, savory flavors, and warm interactions. Udaipur truly is a traveler's paradise. Be sure to like, comment below your favorite moments, and subscribe for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, safe travels.
ఏడుస్తుందా అబ్బా వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఆయన భయంకరంగా వాయిస్తున్నాడుగా ఏ క్యూట్ క్యూట్
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.